How did it go, Megan? You gotta tell me. Tell me how did it go.
It was more stiff. Kind of like the robot phone thing.
No, it was like you were like spraying each side.
Yeah.
I
Yes, there was.
can't hold it still.
I can't really good.